don't throw off my mojo. Look at, oh, now I have no lights. But yes, I still look beautiful because of my natural inner glow.
What are we making?
Line! I am going to make some placemats.
We are going to make 2 sets of placemats.
I'm trying to do an intro here. Stop messing it up. Just look pretty. I am going to make some placemats. And I am going to give some to one of you. Brooke will assist. Twinsies! Placemat twinsies! Boards of chip. Tape. Oh no, I broke my boards of chip!
Why did you do that? So last time I did something similar to this, I used painter's tape to line the chipboard, which I kind of knew wasn't going to work, but I did it anyway. And I got a lot of feedback that I should try using packing tape. So Michael, we're going to use some packing tape to do this. Please don't hit it with an axe.
With the camera?
Oh my gosh.
So lost.
It's not complicated. Mine's kind of not as good, it's fine.
Yeah, mine's amazing. I just looked over and she's putting tape all over everything. And I mean everything. Peekaboo.
And there it is. And now we need to make a bunch more.
Let's go. In the amount of time it took her to make one mold, I made 7.
Okay. I think Michael was upset because I got to do the mold that was in the demo and he didn't get to.
All right, so here's a bunch of laser cut pieces, and we have a lot more of these, but it's pieces from recent laser cut projects that I've done. And I think that they're kind of neat because in most cases, it's the part that I didn't design. It's the negative space from the, projects, the parts that weren't gonna be used. So these oftentimes are shapes that are really different and fun.
Michael loves to flex that he went to art school and I didn't, so he always says things like negative space. Instead of just calling it the scrap, you can just say the scrap and we'll all know what you're talking about, Michael.
I got a splinter and she didn't even react. I mean, show a little compassion. What if I'd cut my finger off? I hope I can even finish this project. I'm not really gonna make a plan. I'm just gonna kind of fill them in with different shapes, and I'll get hopefully all of them going at once. And Brooke will assist. Some circles.
But it's supposed to be scrap.
It really hurt my feelings when Brooke came over and was like, "What are you doing? It's supposed to be scrap." Like, it is scrap. She was treating it like I was doing something wrong, but like, what's the difference if I cut it on the laser or the bandsaw? It made me feel sad. No. Whatever.
Oh, I love it. I mean, come here. Ooh, I like that. Am I allowed to use them too?
If they weren't scrap.
They are now.
It's not that she was getting annoyed with my cutting circles. It's that she was getting annoyed and taking the negative space from them.
He was just walking around complaining while the laser did all the work for him. What's up with that?
At the end of the first day, things are coming along. You know, I was giving Brooke a bit of a hard time, but I mean, let's be honest, for the most part, she kind of deserved it. The pieces are coming out okay, but it's a little soon to tell what type of damage has been done.
Mike was being a little bit on edge today, but I tried to be calm and roll with it, and I'm feeling really excited about how my designs are coming out. I think I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow to get a jump start on the day. And while I was at it, I figured I would help Michael out and give him a jump start on his pieces too. A bug flew into the resin. Ah!
Where are we at?
All right. I poured all those.
She trashed the space. I couldn't be here today. And she decided to go on without me, and she trashed the space.
So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna do that next pour. You excited?
Okay. I don't know how one person can possibly make that much of a mess in one day.
Let's do the big pours, right?
All right, where we start? We're picking up first to get them all flat. Like, what are we doing?
I wasn't
Jumping right into the pour.
I wasn't really worrying about flat. I just kind of went for it.
Hopefully it big pour? Should we maybe worry about flat?
Maybe, but I mean, okay, maybe we should pick up.
Get some plastic down.
I did. Do you like it?
It's beautiful. I can tell that you worked really hard on it.
I just like drizzled some clear on yours. Was that not what you wanted?
It's great. She ruined them. I think she wanted to make sure that her boards were the ones that someone got to win, because mine did not get the same level of attention to detail that hers did. And then we should probably put some painter's tape, like as a cross across them when we get them laid out, so that it holds them a little more rigid.
Yeah, that's what I did last time and it worked.
It's okay, we're gonna move forward. And I'm gonna save it.
Ooh, it's so clean. Are you sure that it's right though?
Perfect.
Are you sure you did it right?
Yep.
Are you sure this is square?
I'm sure.
If I measure this right now,
It'll be square.
I don't think it will be. Oh wait, hold everything. You're having me put blue on the outside of mine?
No?
Then this needs to go in the bandsaw.
This one?
Yeah.
That you taped here?
It's not taped, it's resin. It's not hardened yet. We really shouldn't pour this one yet.
Pour?
That one didn't go well.
I can tell. Alright, let's start it. You want position or not? Alright, so in fairness, maybe she ruined hers and not mine.
I told you that one's not ready. Michael jumped the gun. I knew the resin pour was a mess. I was waiting for it to harden all the way, and then I was just gonna fix it on the bandsaw. That'd been my plan the whole time. It's like really easy to do and takes 5 seconds, and it's just not that big of a deal. But instead, he just grabbed it and started hacking at it with a knife. I'm gonna take this one to the bandsaw.
It's done. It's already ready. Its position is perpendicular.
Are you sure? You took over, man.
Let's pour.
Yours is daisies. Yours is cute though. What was the inspo?
I was gonna do more circles, but somebody used some of them.
Wait, what? So you could have cut more. I used 4. Hold up. We just put a bunch of them in the scrap bin. If you want more circles, we can have more circles.
We're good.
Okay, should we just pour the resin?
Probably. We need to figure out how to get those not to float though.
The reason I drizzled on top of it is because I wanted it to adhere it to the mold, which it actually did do on most of them.
Yeah, just
like,
not on the ones that you didn't put enough on. So it didn't touch the mold.
You're just going so far out of your way to criticize me. I did an amazing job.
I understand what happened, don't worry.
Oh! I found it pretty ironic that after giving me a lot of flack for drizzling clear resin on his piece, Michael turned around and did the same thing. Yeah, except it was with the wrong kind of epoxy.
When in Rome.
So many stir sticks.
You're measuring, right?
Yes, I'm measuring.
Okay.
Why would I not be measuring?
I don't know. Sometimes you just like pour things.
Always have a plan.
Since when does Brooke have plans? Set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
I never set a timer for it though.
Bad.
You can feel it.
No. You really can't.
Do just like Baja Blue.
I'm gonna pick one. I went to art school. I think I know how to pick a color. It's called color theory.
All right. Looks good. Concern at this point is that the edges of the resin can be kind of sharp when they come out of the mold like this. Michael's already had one splinter. Want to see him?
Okay.
Do you want to see him?
No.
You don't?
No.
Oh, I was really excited about it.
I'm tight on time.
Oh, okay. I can respect that.
All right. Let's do this. I mean, it's a little frustrating for sure. I woke up. Brooke was already awake. She had gone out. She had unmolded them, which is, let's be honest, the fun part, because that's when you get to see how they came out. And then she just like hands them to me and says, do the sanding. I had things I was doing today, but here I am. I think they came out kind of great.